Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is lesson number 8 of spoken English. In this today's lesson, we are going to learn such as polite request, how to speak politely, confidently and correctly. So let's start. You have a question that why polite requests are important in English. So friend, in English tones matters a lot. If you speak directly, it may sound rude. So we use some polite words such as please, then can you, could you, then would you mind. Let's learn step by step. In first, can you, using some sentences. Can you, first sentence, can you help me, can you open the door, or can you explain this again. This is the common sentences using the request of can you. Using could you, more politeness. For examples, could you help me, or could you repeat that, or could you speak slowly. Use this could you in office or school or with strangers. Using please. Please makes your sentence more politely and softly. Sentence, please sit here, please go there, please stand up. Very polite request. If you want very polite request, then use would you mind. Some examples of would you mind. For examples, would you mind helping me, or would you mind closing the door, or would you mind explain again. And friend, here note one thing that after using would you mind, use the verb plus ing. For example, closing or helping or explaining. Asking for help in real life. Some examples such as, for examples, at a shop. Example, excuse me, could you help me, or can you show me that item. In school, for example, teacher, could you help me, or could you explain me this once more, or can you explain me these questions with these questions. On the road, for example, would you mind me find this address, or excuse me, can you help me, or can you tell me this address, or can you tell me this way. How to respond politely. If someone asks you for help, then how to speak. At first positively. Say yes, sure, or of course, or no problem. Negative but polite. For example, sorry, I cannot help you, or I am afraid, I cannot help you, or I am busy, I can't help you, or I can't help you. Repeat after me. Some sentences such as, could you help me please, or can you speak slowly, or would you mind explaining this, or excuse me, could you tell me the way, or could you tell me the office. Repeat these sentences again and again and improve your English slowly. Always remember, polite English, then better confidence and speak slowly. And also remember one thing, that keep learning, keep practicing and keep believing in yourself. That's all for today's lesson. See you in the next lesson or next video. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.